Hi everyone, and welcome to the final two labs of the semester, which is going to be labs 12 and 13. And for these labs, you'll be working on your video presentation, and this will also be the last pre-lab video of this semester. And the goal is to create a 2 to 4 minute video that teaches a topic from the course using both auditory and visual information. So you're going to be working with Lab 12 and 13 in your groups, and your audience is future students who are just starting this class. You'll use any paper you've read in Perusal over the past semester, and you're going to want to introduce and explain a course topic, and your explanation should include both neural and cognitive levels of the analysis. So in Lab 12, you're just going to be kind of focusing on planning the video. You'll start by choosing a paper from Perusal, something you found interesting or easy to understand. From there, you'll be able to identify the course topic it illustrates, and then write a short description of your topical focus. Then you'll create an outline for your video that introduces a clear structure, an introduction, main points, and a conclusion. You'll also want to make sure that you're communicating your topic clearly using both narration and visual elements. Your Lab 12 submission is going to include two PDF files, and the first is going to contain your APA formatted citation, your topic description, and your video outline. And the second is going to include all of your visual materials, such as figures, diagrams, or screenshots, along with any links to the source for each image. Use the screenshots from your chosen paper and supplement them with the Creative Commons licensed content from the Wikipedia Commons or Pexels. The goal is to make your work in tandem with your narration, so make sure those kind of go together hand in hand and that they complement one another, so future students will be able to understand your topic. In Lab 13, you're actually going to be creating and putting this video together. And you could use any software that you like, such as Adobe Express, Canva, iMovie, Clipshape, whatever works, as long as it was designed specifically for making videos. Don't use presentation tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides. Your video should include a spoken narration by one person and no digital voices. Make sure that you introduce graphs and diagrams that are chosen clearly and shown clearly, and that you're walking the viewer through the X and Y axes. Explain the legend, highlight the patterns using simple animations like arrows or circles, and you can even begin to highlight some of the key elements of these figures and results. You could keep on-screen text to a minimal, and you should only use it for brief terms or definitions that need to follow the explanation. After your main content, add a reference frame with an APA formatted citations page for your sources, and a credits frame, which is basically just listing all the tools and sources from any images or video content. Once your video is uploaded and complete, you could post it to YouTube and submit it to make it a public link. Do not label it as for kids though, and do not email it or upload it to Canvas. Just paste the YouTube link directly into the submission form. And make sure your video meets the time requirements and uses all the visuals effectively to support what you're saying. Again, this is your chance to demonstrate what you've learned in a clear and engaging way and to create something that could help future students understand one from the core of its ideas from this class. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email or we could talk Tuesday or Wednesday. See you soon. Bye.